Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. In this video we'll test Huawei Watch 4 Pro's speakers and our experience of call clarity and sound. So let's check it out.
I have to say call quality is a very good. I've spent, just because I was testing, playing with it, talking to someone for 10-15 minutes actually directly on the watch, and it was proper clear. I mean, I could hear them just like how I would hear someone if I put my phone speaker. Obviously it wasn't as loud, but it was very good, and they obviously could hear me proper as well, because they said it was very clear. They didn't know if I was speaking on a watch, but yeah, calls are very clear. The speaker is of decent quality. Microphones as well, they're very good, picks up everything very well. And even outside in a noisy sort of place, calls seemed normal. Noise wasn't a problem. So you've got a music app, which is Huawei's built-in music app, and I think it's quite useful actually. You've got things like, if you've never used it, let's see if I can play something and see. You can download. It's channels that you search through Huawei's music app. So I think I'll show you how that works. I mean, this is good quality, I have to say. And you can control the volume through the crown, which is really nice. But it's really good quality. I have to say the music quality here is very good for a watch. Anyway, you can like it. Let's just have the next bit. Okay. I think you get an idea. So then you go, these are different choices. There's different countries here. Look, I haven't really played with this much, but I know I did search radio stations, and you've got different types of genres. So easy listening, you got all this commuting, walking, and there's loads of, it gives you under each of these there's plenty of options. So if I went to, for example, R&B or something, so it's just pick something. This is like a radio, so it's playing off the radio. So there's plenty of choices. If you wanted, you've got. So you can see I can listen, and I can go back and do other searches, and I think I can even exit from the music app, and it's still playing in the back. And now, if I wanted to sort of control what's happening, you see here on your, as you swipe, it's there on the home screen. Let's turn the volume down. So you can control. You don't get to see the album or anything, but this is on your home screen. You can control it. So basically, you can do that, and you can, I don't know what that is. Let's see. On this device, or if you have Bluetooth earbuds, you can change it to play there. Okay, so, and if I can go back there now again with the tap, and I can go back to my list again, and I can find other music that I may want, pop and new age and metal and dance. All these, you got so many choices. Look, and this is like a radio, so also requires internet connection. So you got Wi-Fi connection on it, or Bluetooth connected to your device, or even if you have sort of data on the SIM, you can on the move just listen to this. You don't have to worry about anything else. You can just favoritize them, and you can even import your own song. So if I have some song, for example, on my phone, I downloaded, so I'll try and show you one of those. So I imported some songs. Quite easy to import, really. You just do it through the Huawei app, and it's instantly on the watch. So I just have to allow it for some reason again. I already had allowed it. So I just play one and show you. Fantastic. I like it. So you see, very simple. You can download. It's got 32 gigabyte of built-in storage, guys. 32 gigabytes. So that's plenty space for many MP3s you want to put in this watch. Talking of this, I should also mention, I didn't mention earlier on, it's got 2 gigs of RAM. So no wonder everything is so smooth. 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabyte of ROM, as in storage. So plenty for watch faces and apps and songs. Great. So yeah, and then you got settings, and you can decide how you wanna use. There's various options. You can create playlists, and you can do all that on the watch. You don't need to do this on the phone. So this is all really good. Yeah. So I just keep the volume low a little bit. So again, on the home screen, you got your weather. These are the cards, and you've always got that there. And the other thing is, maybe I can try and show you. Actually, let's go back to app. So this was music. Spotify, again, it works. I'll show you Spotify. It works fine. Spotify is one of the few apps that didn't crash. And also, like, it shows you album art as well. So you can go through basically syncs everything because it's based on your account. And I was able to sign into my account, so anything I had on my account saved, it showed up here. I can play it, and it will play on the watch through the speaker, and I can control using the home here.
So that's all for today, guys. Comment down below and let us know what you thought of the sound quality of the Huawei Watch 4 Pro. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.